Alleged sex trafficker, rapist, dead, Jeffrey Epstein. Ended his life in jail, right? Some believe there's some conspiracy, whatever. The official word is that he hanged himself in 2019 before the trial began. Or did somebody kill him because they didn't want their name out there? It's a conspiracy theory. Today, we learn the names of 177 of Jeffrey Epstein's friends, recruiters, and victims will be revealed in court documents unsealed at the start of a new year. What does this mean? Let's bring in high-profile criminal defense attorney Mark Geragos. I got to tell you, the more straight-line analysis on this is what Dusty just sent me about the D.C. madam and her list of clients being released. Now, that's something that I get why people wouldn't want their name exposed, that they're on that list. But here, why do we know that these people must all be bad people?
Well, I wouldn't say that they're all bad people. I think a number of the people who are named here, at least based on what the judge's order says, were complaining witnesses or victims or just Confederates, for lack of a better term. But I think it's obvious to me that there is an interest here and that there are people who are going to be named who don't want to be named. Mind you, there has been litigation already surrounding this over people who did not want to have their names revealed. And clearly, I think that the timing of this is going to be such that it's going to be grist for the mill of people who do have a lot of conspiracies. I mean, I have read no less, as I'm sure you have, than 3 or 4 different theories as to the deaths surrounding this and the prosecutions surrounding this and the suspicious timing surrounding the death and the filings and
But it's become such a scarlet letter.
It just perpetuates this.
Hey, thank you for watching. Please go to newsnationnow.com, newsnationnow.com, and you can find News Nation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button down below. Then you will get more of News Nation's fact-driven coverage.